Hi guys, welcome to another video. So I'm still in Tyrol in Austria and it's a beautiful weather outside today. It's a holiday, so there are a lot of cars and bikes passing by, but nevertheless I will make another video because I didn't feel like going hiking today. So what do I have today? This Draper padlock, very big, very heavy. As it's written, it's a heavy duty with a changeable 6-pin cylinder. Is a lock that belongs to Potti314, which I asked if I can pick on camera. So he said, sure, go ahead. So I will try to do so. Here's the key to have a better look on it. Very nice key. I really like this offset blade. I would say the blade of the key is offset. No, it's not on the center, but onto the side, and it's a little bit like a flag. I enjoy this type of locks, so I can do that, and the lock operates perfectly. Very heavy spring, so this lock is a bit of a challenge for me. Let's see if it will be a challenge to pick two. So number one, give a small click, move a little bit more. 2 seems nothing. 3, give a click. 4 and 5, nothing. Let's go start from the beginning again. 1 gave me a click. 2, nothing. Let's see, 3. I think I heard a small click. Nothing on 5 and 6. Going backwards. Okay, so 1. Nothing. 2. I think 2. Maybe 2. Something did happen. Let's see. 3, 4. Okay, nothing more. Till 6. Drop 1 pin. Maybe it was an overset. Okay, I think I fell into a deeper false set just now. By the way, the bells that you hear nearby are from the other farm. They have some goats and sheep that graze all day, and it's could get quite noisy with all the bells. Okay, number 3 gives me some feedback. Okay, let's try number 1 again. I think I saw him drop. No, let's see, 2. 3. 4, 5, nothing. Let's go backwards this time. Okay, that was number 4, and I think it was a serration that I finally managed to overcome. But it was not an open. So number 3 now. I think maybe I need to. Okay, I did set it, but I dropped some other pins. Okay, that was 2. And there we go. That was number 6. Whew, finally open. Okay, so I locked it back up and let's try and gut it. Okay, so I finally managed to defeat the evil C clip, and let's have a look. First, where are the pins? Okay, I think that might do it. Since I don't have a follower for it, it will be the slow and painful way of getting it, but we'll try. So I have a spool at number 6, I would say. There's the spring. There's another small spool at 5. Here's another spool at 4. Unbelievable. Did not feel it. So there's the spring. 3. Let me guess again, a spool. I was absolutely sure there are serrated pins. So there's a spring and another spool, no serrated pins. And that's a standard on number 1. Okay. This thing, however, really felt like it was there were a lot of serrated pins. Let's see what's the magic upstairs. In the core. So there are some serrations on number 1, keeping. Standard on 2. Standard on 3. Okay, 4 doesn't want to come out. Neither does 6. Let's see. Oops. So 6 is standard. 5 is finally another serrated. And 4 is also serrated. Before I give you a close-up of the pins, here's the core. Nothing really, no drill protection, anything, brass cores, no undercuts, just a standard core. Same is for the housing. See if I can use the sun to actually shine inside. No, nothing inside, standard core. And here is a close-up of the pins. So on the driver pins we have all spools except for number 1, which is a steel pin, and for the key pins we have 2 serrated pins. First one, this one is also a steel pin, but nothing other than that. So that's from this Draper lock. Potti, one more time, thank you very much for the wonderful lock. And as I said, a lot of greetings from sunny and beautiful Tyrol in Austria. See you guys next time. Bye.